Good morning, friends. Let's understand what is my plan for next week for Nifty trading. None of this is to be construed as investment advice. I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so please consult your SEBI registered analyst or financial advisor before you decide to act upon my plan. So, a gloomy start is expected. You can see a snapshot of the world markets as of now. This is on Sunday morning, so almost all the stocks exchanges are really in the negative, with Japan showing some real panic and every other index crossing in the negative, including our own. So this means that the long awaited correction is fully on, and we can expect a big gap down on Monday unless something changes overnight. So second observation I have is whenever market makes a potential island reversal pattern like this, it generally tends to last for a few days, after which the market recovers. Sometimes it can be extended up to, here in this case it went up to 1 month, and there are more places like this. So one thing, as students of technical analysis, we know that history repeats. So this was a very extended downtrend. You can see around 6 months before the high was crossed again. So we have a big gap down on Friday, and the gap was not even filled. And what is important is it reversed from the previous swing support, and this is exactly where we were expecting the support, but it gapped down below that, tested that again, and fell down. So what can happen on Monday? So potentially what we can expect is a gap down to the level of around 24,660 levels, somewhere here, or 24,597 to 24,650, and it can make a positive candlestick here and then reverse and come back. So why I'm not putting that level is I'm not interested in long trades anymore. I think I've got a definite enough signal that we are in a negative trend now. The trend has changed to negative. How do I say that? If I add RSI to this, just normal RSI, you can see that there is a beautiful divergence on the RSI, and the RSI is ready to break its previous bottom. Also, Nifty's bottom breaking might take some time, or it may not break at all, we don't know. So here the RSI, assuming that if the RSI goes down to 40 levels from here, right? So the stock price or Nifty's price can move down to 24,168, which is coincidentally one of the lows that we have here as well, right? So that's the extent of fall that can happen potentially. And this month, August month, is astrologically a month for volatility. So it's time to get our put shoes on. We're not going for calls anymore. So I'm going to wait for the market to bounce back to at least 24,717 or even up to 24,768. And I want to see a negative candlestick made here. So market might fall down and it might consolidate, and then towards the second half, if the global indexes also start to recover, then market might go and make a candlestick pattern, negative candlestick pattern around here, right? And this is where I will initiate my short position, and my first target would be 22,416, right? So if it comes early during the day, then I would take a intraday short, right, from this level, and my target would be around 24,525. I'm talking about positional weekly, so positional here. So from here I would expect 24,416 to be the minimum target, and 24,218 to be the second target for the next week. So this is the okay. So big red candle. Let's see how it goes, and if the changes, we'll always have our daily BTOs to figure out what to do. So, but as of now, where we stand, it looks like the correction that we all have been awaiting is here. Now another way, pricing wedge is broken. We're looking at a potential target of 23,580 to 23,480. So this is the level at which we can expect the worst case reversal to come. Otherwise, market will, and this is where we can look at accumulating some Nifty Bs or buy some good stocks. So these are the two areas which we can look at, and if it goes down further, we'll see it then. So there's no reason to believe that long-term structural changes have taken place. No, it is just a well-deserved correction, is my belief. So let's see where it goes, and then based on that we'll decide our next steps. So I hope this video is useful, and if you do like it, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Any improvement suggestions, please do comment. So thank you very much. Have a great week ahead and make lots of money. That's it. Bye bye.